Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to write a Java program to print inverted right angle triangle. So let's create a new Java class. I'll name it pattern1 and vs vm public static void main, and I will define number of rows int rows equals to 5, and then I will route through int I equals to root I is greater than or equals to 1 I minus minus. Here I will start from 5 and then I will go up to 1, as we are going to print here inverted right angle triangle. So power is out. Is now again we are going to write j equals to 1, j is less than or equals to I, and then j plus plus. Okay, let's print the asterisk and then new line print line, and let's run the program and see the output in the console. Yeah, this is what we're looking for, inverted right angle triangle. So if we increment it by 15, then we'll get the bigger inverted right angle triangle.
I hope you enjoyed the content I shared in this video. If you found it valuable, please consider giving it a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. If you think this video could be helpful to others, don't hesitate to share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, I'd love to have you as a subscriber to my channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with my latest videos and won't miss out on any future content. Just click that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it. Your support means a lot to me, and it really helps in growing the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.